2020 Jeep Gladiator, lifted, V6. What we got done on it, still got factory converters and the loop-de-loop pipe right there, see it? Equalized pressure from this side to this side, as you guys can see, because one side is longer, so they put that loop-de-loop on it. That's what I call it. Wise it to a single, then it's got a mid muffler we didn't take off, or mid resonator. Then it had a stock muffler, a huge one we'll show you in a minute, and we replaced it with a MAGNAFLOW single in, dual out. MAGNAFLOW number 12198, right there. If you guys want to purchase that muffler, there'll be a link in the description. Then custom bent 2 1/4 tailpipes there, all the way back into 3.5 inch by 18 rolled black tips, because it looks good on. There's that original tailpipe, the original muffler that we cut off, and it had another resonator in the back too. So they really made sure that it's quiet. Well, let's see how it sounds now. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. It's the Overload edition, lifted. Let you guys hear it. Looks good. Let's see how she sounds. What do you think?
Not very loud.
You want it louder? There's one more resonator on it you can cut off.
I think it's alright.
You don't want it too loud.
No, I don't.
I think it's perfect. Try it for a couple of weeks. We're always here. We ain't going nowhere.
I like the way that looks.
Go ahead and back it up.
I like the way that looks. So glad we went with the long one.
Yeah. Looks a lot better. The long tips really fit it.
It's the prettiest one you've had. I looked at the
Yes, sir.
website.
Jeep Gladiator. Ready for anything.
It'll be pinstriped. This
Oh, he's got a pinstripe it next.
pinstripe. I've got the panel commander, and I just put that on today, and then the cold air.
Oh, cold air intake too.
That's on.
4:30. Yeah. Yeah. We open on Saturday 9 to 1. What is it? What kind of car? Okay. Yeah. Say 2008 Range Rover.